Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings, then this page you can click on apps, default apps, the app settings, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about Netflix and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone. So